What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance. Today we're going to take a second to show you a project that we just finished up. Now this is a 2019 Ford F-150 XL Sport package that we've prepped for any one of our power systems. Now before I dive into the build, the reason behind this project is just speed. So if someone wants to modify their truck with a Belltech Lowering Kit, wheels, tires, the STX Grille is very popular for us. We've built this platform to where we can get your build started and expedite and save you 2 to 3 weeks off your typical build time. So let's dive into this and see what it's all about. On all of our supercharged trucks, I have to say one of the most popular upgrades is stance. So this has the Belltech Lowering Kit, which drops you 3 inches in the front and 5 inches in the back. So you have a lower stance, but it's also level. As far as wheels go, we've got KMC 22-inch wheels wrapped in Nitto 420s. The size is 285/45 R22. So let's start with the truck itself. We used a 2019 Ford F-150 XL Sport package, which will give you the painted bumpers, both front and back, and the fog lights. From there, we added another very popular option, which is the STX Grille that we borrowed from the Crew Cab STX Sport package. We also tinted the windows and added a Roush Catback exhaust. Now let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out our latest project. If you'd like more information on a build like this one or want to start one for yourself, feel free to give us a call anytime or visit us online. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.